Yes, Mama Migori.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. First of all, on behalf of Kibagendi, I will apologize to this House. Unfortunately, the so-called Honorable Kibagendi is one man who never comes to this House. And even when he comes, he never even contributes. In actual sense, Kibagendi has no reason to be in this House. And his constituents should really be sympathetic to what they did by voting such a man who goes talking about the same parliament that he doesn't even understand anything about. I have never had this man contribute to anything to do with his constituents. But when he goes on TV, he wants to do showbiz. Honorable Kibagendi, I was elected by over 200,000 votes. You have no reason to go and tell other people that our house has been auctioned. I am here every day as a first-timer working so hard to contribute to my constituents and the country. But you can't go out there to do showbiz out of desperation and embarrass a house that has dignified members of parliament.
Order members, order, honorable members, order, Doña, order.